Hello everyone, my name is Damien. I am Nicolae Parfumeur Creator Sales Manager and I am very happy today to be in Timișoara, Romania to give you a little introduction of the brand and also some of the products that you may found in one of the stores. Actually the only official retailer that we have in Romania, which is Niche Perfumery in Timișoara, of course. So, what is Nicolae Parfumeur Creator? Well, Nicolae is one of the first niche perfume brand that was actually created. But what is a niche perfume brand? Well, this kind of brand was actually created in reaction of the big brands that you may know, Chanel, Dior, Guerlain, but these are brands that only drive by marketing, advertising, and there are a lot of people and many perfumers that were fed up of being tight by these limits. So there is a movement of perfumers in the 80s that will say we are fed up with this now and we want to create our own way of perfume. We want to use our own ingredients. We don't care about the advertising. We want to put our money in the raw materials. And this is why there is some brands that was created like Nicolae Parfumeur Creator that was created 30 years ago today by Patricia de Nicolae and her husband in 1989. So the brand was created by Patricia de Nicolae, who has a very interesting story in terms of perfumes. She is indeed part of the Guerlain family, one of the most well-known perfumers family all over the world. But Patricia, when she was small, she was very attracted by creating perfumes. But when she realized that she wanted to do that, she was actually, how a family said to her, why do you want to do that? It's very strange because in the Guerlain family, it's actually men who are the noses, who are the perfumers, and not much the ladies. They actually told her, you're a lady, just be a simple housewife, and that will be fun. Of course, Patricia, she's kind of a rebel, and she didn't like that at all. So she went to a specific perfume school. She became also a chemist, because to be a perfumer, you need to be a chemist. It's very important. And then she was hired to work in one of the major groups that we just talked about. But of course, Patricia was fed up with working with those major groups because she was only doing little essays and tries, and it was only the marketing guy who was directed what she had to do. So she was fed up with that, and every time she went home, she felt sad. And her husband saw that, and he said to her, what, just quit that, and we're going to create our own brand together, and we'll see what happens. That was a completely full idea at the time because it was the beginning of niche perfumes, and it was totally crazy to create a brand from nowhere and without no advertising. But they tried, and they did. And so in 1999, they launched the brand called Nicolae Parfumeur Creator. Nicolae because of the name of Patricia de Nicolae. When she first started, she felt that she was on a good track. And she actually, it was a sign of destiny because she received a prize while she was creating a brand in 1989 from the best young perfumer of the year. And it was actually the first time a woman won that prize. So when she received that prize, she remembered what her family told her, that women in perfume is quite strange. So she was very proud and happy with this prize. The particularity of Nicolae is very singular. Indeed, Nicolae Parfumeur Creator is the brand that does everything from the purchase of the raw materials to the final selling of the products. Patricia has her own lab, which is in one of the stores that we have in Paris. She has all the raw materials and she makes all the perfume herself. When she's done with the perfume and when she thinks it's correct, she makes the formula, because to make a perfumes, you need to make a formula. And after when the formula is done, then she sends the concentrate of the perfume to our own factory that we own, that Nicolae owns, in the middle of France. And over there, it's a company of 5 people, very artisan work, who makes all the process of creating the fragrances, which means mixing the perfumes with alcohol, with the maceration of alcohol, then the icing, filtering, bottling, and then final sending. This is actually very rare in the world of niche perfumers. There is not many brands who do everything, once again, from the purchase of the raw materials to the final sendings. And to the final sendings, Nicolae now is quite strong actually, because it has right now in Paris 7 stores, which makes Nicolae the first niche perfume brand in terms of stores, 2 in London, 1 in Dubai, and 1 in Shanghai, and then all over the world, like in Timisoara, for example, we have sold in specific retailers that we carefully select for the high quality of representation and knowledge of selling perfumes.